Morning folks. How's it going? Hope everyone's safe and sound. So, today, we're gonna give you the 7 greatest DJ controllers that you can use to get the party started. DJs used to mix and match beats by ear, spin records on turntables, and carry all of their records about in stylish record bags. This kind of DJing is still in demand, particularly given how vinyl continues to make a resurgence. If DJing is not a source of money, it may be a costly passion. Purchasing a DJ controller brings up new possibilities. They operate straight from a laptop and are small, light, and portable. They offer a variety of capabilities to improve any set, and since the controller can access enormous music file banks, the days of carrying around all your records are long gone. Therefore, we have picked the top 7 DJ controllers in this video. So guys, what are we waiting for? Let's get the party started. Number 1. Pioneer DJ, DDJ-1000. DJs frequently hail the DDJ-1000 as the best DJ controller to have ever been made. That's quite difficult to dispute, and its high price reflects that. It is a 4-channel controller that only works with rekordbox and is simple to set up. But if you're just starting out, you should think about how important having 4 channels is. Everything is arranged in the expected locations, and the arrangement is recognizable. Though the controller has a massive, sturdy structure, the most amazing aspect of the design is how Pioneer keeps everything light and portable. Aggressive fight mixers don't have to hold back since the buttons and faders are strong. Everything seems durable enough to endure some assault. The full-size jog wheels are also strong and mechanical. Their design doesn't even have a semblance of cost-cutting. They have LCD panels with vibrant colors and adjustable resistance. On these displays, critical information that you would want to keep an eye on, such BPMs or waveforms, is easily accessible. You can customize this information, which makes it easier for you to interact with the dance floor because you won't need to frequently return to your computer while mixing. It makes sense and is cozy in the mixing part. Each channel contains a 3-band equalization with the appropriate controls and meters. Even the most passionate scratch DJ can use the crossfader and channel faders since they are both durable. You can make this setup capable of destroying any dance floor by combining it with an incredible number of fantastic FX and loop choices. Now, let's talk about some important features. On the jog wheels, there are customizable LCD panels. It comes with rekordbox software. It features 16 performance pads in various colors. This controller has 4 channels. From DJM series mixers, it features beat and sound color FX. Number 2. Rain 1. The Rain 1 may be the best option for you if you're a DJ who loves vinyl and wants to go out into the realm of controllers. You might not be prepared to go without the sensation of a spinning wheel under your fingertips just yet. You don't need to use the motorized jog wheels on this controller. You can receive the resistance you're used to because they are sturdy and offer adjustable torque. Additionally, they include touch strips that let you drop the needle wherever you choose. They are also a fair size. They are little smaller than a 12/10s plate at 7.2 inches, but they still seem perfect. You may express your creativity using the 8 conventional, non-gimmicky performance pads that are included on each deck, including the well-known Serato Pro DJ Scratch Bank. For this controller, Serato is the recommended software option. Installation is easy, and Serato DJ Pro is included. Although it is plug-and-play compatible with Virtual DJ, Mac and iOS users might want to utilize it with Algorithm's DJ Pro AI. Now, some important features of Rain 1. It comes with Serato DJ Pro. 16 performance pads in various colors. Motorized platters in full size. Dual paddle FX for quick launches. Mag 4 fader with adjustable response. Number 3. Numark DJ2Go2 Touch. Not all DJ controllers have to be expensive. The Numark DJ2Go2 Touch is a great, affordable purchase if you use DJ software on your computer and are looking for something simple to make things a bit more interactive. It's ideal for starters since you won't have spent all of your money if you later change your mind. It is a 2-channel controller that is incredibly small, light, and portable. You could even tuck it into a deep pocket and carry it to the party. Both the layout and the functionalities are straightforward. You receive a crossfader, 2 smaller jog wheels, pitch controls, cue, sync, and play buttons. Basic pad features are even available to build up hot cues, use automatic and manual loop controls, and even play around with a simple sampler. Almost all of the essentials and much more to get started. It is compatible with Serato DJ software, and purchases come with Serato DJ Lite. Install the program, connect your headphones, speakers, and controller, and you're ready to play. As soon as you become an expert at mixing on this small tiger, you can swiftly upgrade bigger controllers with more sophisticated functions. Now, some important features. It comes with Serato DJ Lite. It contains a total of 8 performance pads. Number 4. Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S4 MK3. The Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S4 MK3 is a top DJ controller with motorized jog wheels and 4 channels. Compared to earlier generations, it is a controller that looks more fashionable and polished. In addition, it is also more compact and streamlined. You may keep an eye on things with the aid of small, high-resolution RGB monitors that display necessary and configurable information. The haptic force feedback from the motorized jog wheels is the element of this controller that has generated the most excitement. You can feel the rhythms, cue points, and loops as you browse between songs, which further minimizes the requirement to look at your computer. These elements let the DJ stay alive and interact effectively with the crowd. Only Traktor software is compatible with Native Instruments controllers. Once you've registered the equipment, you may download the Traktor 3 Pro software that comes with this one. High-quality audio and innovative DJ capabilities are provided by this top-tier program, which is fantastic. On each channel of the controller, there are new mixer effects. The most often used effects may be controlled and simplified with a single knob. They may help with lengthy transitions and guarantee that the DJ is having as much fun as the dance floor. Additionally, the 4 FX banks may be used for more elegant effects, and the crossfader curve can be modified to fit your DJing style. Now, let's mention some important features. It comes with Traktor 3 Pro software. It has 4 channels, motorized jog wheels, haptic force feedback. Number 5. Native Instruments Traktor Kontrol S2 MK3. Consider the Traktor Kontrol S2 if the Traktor Kontrol S4 is too pricey or if you prefer a simpler layout and controls. It has been simplified and is much simpler to use. It has 2 channels, which is exactly the right quantity for a beginner. It lacks the haptic drive that is now making the S4 the talk of the DJ world. However, it is difficult to anticipate that it will have capabilities that are so advanced given its far lower price. It does, however, contain roomy jog wheels that are positioned atop a row of performance pads with an organized mixing station in the middle of them. Due to its simplicity, you may concentrate more on winning over your listeners and learning the fundamentals. Advanced functions may wait as enjoyment is essential for being a starter. The S2 keeps the straightforward yet useful Mixer FX button, which is quite entertaining once you get the idea of it. In fact, the majority of the functions are overly basic and may dissatisfy more skilled users. However, it's a great model to take into consideration for starters and anyone who wants to skip the hassle and just party. Now, some important features of Traktor Kontrol S2 MK3. It comes with Traktor Pro 3 and Traktor DJ 2 software. It has USB input for iOS devices. And really cool Mixer FX knob. Number 6. Roland DJ505. A DJ controller with lots of features is the Roland DJ505. You may connect your turntables or CDJs and use them in combination with your controller since it includes 4 decks that you can input into 2 channels. You may start mixing your vinyl by connecting your 2 turntables to it because it also functions as a solo mixer. The 16-step sequencer and integrated Roland TRS drum machine, however, are without a doubt the finest feature. It includes kits that have defined whole genres, ranging from the TR606 to the TR909. You can basically remix records live using samples from the Cellphone sampler, and you can even make your own drum-infused music. Even better, it has a MIDI output so you can connect and play other electronic instruments. This update creates a ton of brand new opportunities for live performances. Without a doubt, this is a high-end piece of equipment and a fantastic option for live performances. However, it's reasonably priced, and bedroom DJs who have beyond the novice level can also have years of enjoyment and learning from the variety this controller offers. Now, some important features of DJ505. It comes with 16-step sequencer, built-in legendary Roland drum kits. It has MIDI output, and includes a license for the Cellphone toolkit. Number 7. Pioneer DJ, DDJ800. The DDJ800 is the finest alternative if you are not yet willing to spend so much on the high-end Pioneer DDJ1000. It's reasonably priced, and the features you'll have to compromise are probably not as many as you think. The layout is the same as a typical club, and the jog wheels have the same extremely practical color LCD panels. These may be tailored to provide you with important information while you work. The size and weight are the most noticeable differences. If portability is a major concern for you, the DDJ800 is both smaller and lighter by roughly 25% in size and by a few pounds in weight. The quantity of channels is another variation. In contrast to the DDJ1000's 4 channels, the DDJ800 only offers 2. There is no use in spending a lot of money on equipment with 4 channels if you only plan to use 2. Similar to those on other mid-range machines, the DDJ800's jog wheels are similarly lighter and smaller. To get the desired tightness, you may, however, modify the resistance using the feeling adjust tool. Battle mixers and scratchers should be aware that the DDJ800's crossfader is very basic, as opposed to the DDJ1000's superior magval. The sound quality is the same, and like the DDJ1000, you may also use this device as a standalone mixer. In conclusion, this can be the one for you if you're looking for a 2-channel DJ controller of the finest quality at a reasonable price. Now, let's talk about some important features of DDJ800. It has Beat FX control. It comes with 16 backlit performance pads. It has LCD screens on jog wheels. It has feedback reducer. And of course, it has feeling adjust to modify resistance. So guys, these were the 7 coolest DJ controllers that we have found so far. Hope this video is gonna help you to pick the best one for you. Thanks for watching guys. Oh and hey, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll be thankful to you. Thanks for watching again. See you in the next video.